Welcome and thank you for joining us today. This is a short webinar that will cover detailed instructions for using DOE's Quality Install tool or QIT for completing gas capping. Several qualifying improvements will require the use of the PNNL Quality Install tool, one of which is gas capping, $200 allowance per dwelling. All qualifying appliances must be Energy Star. The free Quality Install tool allows for collection of data over the course of an installation and generates a report based on that data.
Data entered into the tool will include pre-installation photos, post-installation photos, diagnostic testing data, and in some instances, project planning data. A preliminary and post-installation safety inspection, accompanied with a photo of all combustion appliances, will be completed when gas capping. If you are interested in testing out the tool, we have provided a link to the live version on our website. When supporting an electric appliance installation, either heat pump dryers or electric cooktop appliances with gas capping service, go to the DOE's Quality Install tool, or QIT. Here you will save the location on your phone or tablet's web browser while you have internet service or cell phone coverage. Your phone or tablet must be online to use the tool. Access the Saved Quality Install tool from your device to test online connection. Capture geotagged images while on site. If poor cellular coverage is an issue, call the ECAM call center at 888-290-9337 to evaluate other options. Add a new project in the DOE's Quality Install tool on your tablet or phone. Use the participant street address and city as the new project name. Consistently enter the installation company address to match your projects to your vendor ID and contractor account in our Contractor portal.
You may need to turn your location on in settings for geotagging photos. To do this on an iOS phone, go to the phone settings. Select Privacy and Security, and then select Location Services, and select Camera, Precise Location On while using the app. Next, select the web browser you'll be using to access the QIT website and select Precise Location On while using the app. For Vision OS devices, select Location Services. On an Android phone, go to Phone Settings, select Location On, choose the High Accuracy mode if available.
Authorized contractors for the HERE program will receive essential documents by email to guide and support their installation work. In addition, each contractor will be assigned an outreach specialist who will provide ongoing support and address any questions or concerns throughout the process. The HERE project submission checklist is a resource for all contractors to ensure all required documents are completed. This checklist can be utilized for all contractor installed measures. The checklist identifies which documents must be submitted before installation begins and which are required after installation is completed. To accommodate different preferences, this checklist is available in printable and web-based formats. It is not required for upload to the ECAM portal. To ensure a home is ready to receive energy efficiency upgrades, a health and safety checklist is required for all contractor installed measures. This checklist is available in printable, fillable, and web-based formats. It is not required for upload to the ECAM portal. All findings should be shared with the homeowner. Pre-installation safety includes checking for signs of mold or moisture and inspecting the condition of the roof and drainage system. Contractors may need to assess additional health and safety items within the installation area prior to moving forward with a project. Items in an installation area that may need to be checked include pest infestation, accumulated clutter, structural hazards, open electrical, potential fire safety hazards, sewage and sanitation, asbestos, vermiculite insulation, and carbon monoxide levels. Post-installation requires a combustion safety test when major gas combustion appliances, for example furnaces and water heaters, remain in place after HVAC, water heaters, air sealing, gas capping, and/or insulation that has an air sealing effect have been installed. Proof of combustion safety testing is required to be collected and retained in all instances where testing is performed. Click on the project and choose the appropriate appliance in the installation workflow. Enter the new installation name in accordance with the installation in progress. For example, gas capping 123 Main Street. Next, you will answer the pre-installation fuel type question and add photos. Click on Installation and add installation photos. Remember, this must be done while on site. If the appliance is not yet on site, you can skip the nameplate photo, otherwise you will add it. If the nameplate is not accessible, take a photo of the installed appliance. You will also add a photo of the appliance circuit in the electric service panel and a gas-capped photo in Gas Pipe Capped-Photo.
If installing a heat pump dryer, click on Post-Installation Step. If the new appliance is on site, enter annual kilowatts from the energy label. If installing an electric cooking appliance, click on the Post-Installation Step. If the new appliance is on site, enter new stovetop, oven, or range type. Once completed, you will go to the Report tab and select Print Report PDF. From here, you will have the option of printing and/or emailing the report for upload into the RTS platform.
Open and save the downloaded JSON file. Upload the PDF report, the JSON file, and the invoice into the RTS platform.
For questions, please reach out by phone to 888-290-9337 or email emnrd.ecmd@emnrd.nm.gov. Thank you for joining us today.